Okay, today's DIY is a little more advanced, but still should be interesting. These, I did not film taking it apart, and I took one of these apart as well. Should have filmed doing that, but I didn't think about it at the time. I wasn't doing this channel at the time. But what is in these laptop battery packs is lithium cells similar to these. These are 18650s, and each one of these contains 6 of those. Lithium ion. So what you can do, well, there's a lot of things you can do with these. The biggest thing that I like is flashlights. You can get flashlights some of them have a sleeve so it fits better. Technically, I'm not really fond of the 3-button pushing one. But they make several kinds of these. And they're way brighter than other flashlights. This one focuses. And it just has the off and on with the Cree bulb. Now, of course, there's another one here. One here that focuses as well. And it has the basic Cree bulb also. These put out way more light than other kinds of flashlights. What the issue though is when you tear apart a battery pack, you have to be really careful because these things are dangerous. They can like shock you or start a fire or any one of a number of things. But they also have little spiky things. When you break them loose, it has these little spiky things. Now under this, the plastic wraps over it. And you have like a little washer, a little plastic washer in there. So you've got metal from the bottom, from the negative side, and the top, like side by side. So if you was to cross that and touch it, you can start a fire with it or blow up the battery or something. So they're kind of dangerous. But what we want to do is get rid of these little spiky things. Am I in focus? One way to do it is with something like this. You want to go on a slow speed. until it feels absolutely smooth. Be careful not to cut your finger when you're rubbing it. And that's pretty smooth. So the other thing, they all don't work actually. The reason you're replacing the battery pack in the first place is because it has dead cells in it, right? Left, right, left. So what we want to do, let me get up closer to it. I'm also working on a video about rechargeable batteries as well. So you want to test them. Okay, so this one's good. It's got 3.4 volts. Let me get it out of there before it starts charging it. This one has 3.4 volts. This charger doesn't give you long to see that before it starts charging it, but some of these didn't work. And I'll show you. Because this only has 1.98, that one needs to be charged. .93. I think they charged like 4.2, so they're all low. 3.94. And a big fat donut. See, it don't even know it's got a battery in it. So this cell is bad. You see. So we'll set that over to the side. I think all four of these were bad. Okay, and this one's bad as well. It doesn't recognize the battery in it. The only thing that I have against this particular charger is it's a smart charger, but it's a little too smart. It doesn't charge the battery simply because you put something in it. It'll wait until you put something that actually puts voltage back into the machine, so it knows there's a battery to charge. And in this case, this isn't working. You might could hit this with a large voltage or something and get it jump started back, but I'm probably just going to take these and dispose of them. Properly dispose of them, dump them in one of those battery recycling things. This one's bad as well. So I believe these 4 were bad. Oh, that one's got voltage. Okay, so those 3 are bad. Out of 12, so that's pretty good, actually. 9, enough batteries to power 9 flashlights, and these have long shelf life, so you can charge these up and they stay charged for a decent amount of time. I'll do a test. I'm not going to do it on this video because this was basically just showing using these batteries for something else and how to clean the ends off. You want to clean the ends off before you start using them. Oh, and it doesn't hurt it if you accidentally scrape in. Good Lord, look at my nails. Anyway, if you accidentally scrape into the plastic on this side, it doesn't hurt it, but really, really, really be careful, because if you cross the metal across here, metal and metal, it will spark and do all kinds of stuff. It can catch fire and blow the battery up and stuff. Very powerful, a lot of amperage in these cells. Gives you real good. There's other things that you can use those for. You can make power banks and all kinds of cool junk. The thing that I use the most in is flashlights. And I'll do a comparison about using a regular, like, Maglite flashlights or any other brands of flashlights as compared with these. These are so much brighter. They're really, really better in a lot of ways. But let me know if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. Or give me a thumbs down if you did, if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up as well. Just give me a thumb one way or another. And I'll see you in the next video. Leave questions, comments in the comment section. And I'm also working on battery charging videos as well. And a review of this super cool battery charger. So thanks for watching.